So I created this video for free, and I want to show you an AI tool that you can use to create AI videos for free. And these tools, you can create unlimited number of videos for free. Just keep signing in every day. You continue creating your videos. So the first thing you can do is generate your story prompt. I'm using ChatGPT to generate mine. So I go to ChatGPT. I say, give me dialogue prompt of a single mother of two boys getting married to an elderly man. So on the wedding day, an elderly woman approached her and said some things. So this is ChatGPT gave me the story prompts and also gave me the dialogue prompt. If you don't want to use ChatGPT to generate your prompt, you can use other AI. You can use Google Gemini. So I'm using ChatGPT to generate mine. So ChatGPT gave me 8 scenes for my story. So these are the 8 scenes for my story, and it also gave me the dialogue prompt for each of the scenes. So I told ChatGPT to give me the image prompt, and ChatGPT gave me the image prompt for each of the character and each of the scenes. So this is the second scene, third scene, fourth scene, fifth scene, sixth scene, and the seventh and eighth scenes. So I told ChatGPT to generate the images for me. So why I generated the image prompt is if the images ChatGPT gave me is not good enough for me, I can copy the image prompt, take it to other AI tools to generate. So let's see. So ChatGPT generated the images for me. So these are the images. So the images are quite good and very clear. So I'm going to be using these images to do my dialogue videos. So the images are quite clear. So I didn't go through the process of how I made this dialogue and image prompt in detail, because if you want me to do it in detail, just drop a comment in the comment section and I will create a separate video for this. So let's animate our images to get our video. So go back to your Chrome browser, type VEO3 AI, free video generator. VEO3 AI, free video generator. So this is it. It's VO3 AI free video generator. So it's saying image to video. So I'm going to click on this upload. Click to upload. Click on it and click on photo library. I want to attach the image I generated from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT and copy my prompt. Always ensure after generating your prompt, copy your prompt to your notepad. I'm back to my ChatGPT. My prompt is no longer here. So always ensure to copy it to your notepad for safekeeping. So this is it. See, this is my prompt in my notepad. So I'm going back to scene 1. So this is scene 1. So I'm going to copy out scene 1 and go back to my browser. So I'll paste it. So I pasted it. So I'm going to edit my prompt based on what I want. So I'm going to come over here. So this is Cadence 1.5 Pro. So there are other options. This is 90 seconds, 200 seconds. So each of these has the number of seconds they can generate. So because this one is the best value for money, so I'm going to come over here and say I'll leave it at 9:16. Then I'm going to my duration 8 seconds. Then I'm going to leave it at 480. So it will generate with watermark. model. Each particular model has the number of credits you can use to generate 1 second video. So after checking all the ratio, which is your aspect ratio, your duration, your resolution, based on your credits. So you are going to be looking at your credits to know what to choose. So I only have 6 credits for this generation. So my based on what I chose would be generated with 4 credits. So I'll click on generate video. So it's going to tell me to verify to prevent I should complete the security verification. So it's verifying me if I'm a human being. It's verifying me if I'm a human being or not. So I'm going to click on verify you are a human. My video is generating. So my video has been generated. Let's play the video and see.
My daughter, tonight before you sleep, open the bottom drawer beside his bed. Why? My daughter, tonight before you sleep, open the bottom drawer beside his bed. Why? My daughter, tonight before you sleep, open the bottom drawer beside his bed. Why?
I'm going to click on the video to download the video. So this is just 4 seconds video. My video has been downloaded. I'll click on save. Choose where you want to save. I'll click on file and save my video. Video 3 AI free video generator generate video up to 12 seconds, but it depends on the number of credits you are given for that day. So I can continue my video generation by signing up with another Gmail account or waiting for them to give me another credit to continue my video generation. So this video has been generated, but there's a little watermark at the end of the video. So what we'll do is go over to CapCut, any video edit. So click on new video. So click on the video. This is the video. So I click on load video. So this is the watermark at the end of the video. So click on the video. Come over here and click on crop. So click on crop, then adjust this video a little bit above the watermark. So the watermark is gone. I'll click on check. So I'll click on OK. So this video has no watermark
open the bottom
again.
drawer beside his bed.
So you can download your video and upload to any social media. So if you want to create, so you can download export your video. So if you want to create short videos on YouTube, Reels, Facebook Reel, Instagram videos, this is a good website for you to use to create. Just go back to video 3 AI free video generator and start creating your videos. So just sign in with new email. If you sign in with a new Gmail account, you can continue your video generation. Just continue your story and generate your video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like this video and click notification bell to get notified when I post videos. See you in my next one. Bye.